In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the developer and add-in tabs in Microsoft Outlook. Doing this will help you unlock powerful features that can enhance your productivity and extend the functionality of Outlook. Whether you're a developer looking to create custom forms or simply an advanced user who enjoys tinkering with extra features, enabling these tabs is a great step forward. Let's get started. First, let's open Microsoft Outlook. If you're not familiar, Outlook is the email client included in the Microsoft Office suite, and it's widely used for viewing emails, managing calendars, and setting appointments. Once you have Outlook open on your screen, we can move to the next step. To enable the functions we want, we need to access the Options menu. Start by navigating to the top left corner of the Outlook window, where you'll see a tab labeled File. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a new menu on the left side of your screen. Here, at the bottom of the list, you'll find an option labeled Options. Click on it to proceed, and this will open a separate window where you'll be able to customize various aspects of your Outlook experience. In the Options window, look for the section titled Customize Ribbon. It's usually located towards the middle of the list on the left-hand side. Click on that, and you'll see a detailed view of all the available tabs and commands in Outlook. Now, this is where we need to focus to enable the developer and add-in tabs. You're now looking at two main sections in the Customize Ribbon area, the list of main tabs on the right and the list of commands on the left. What we want to do is make sure the developer and add-in boxes are checked under the main tabs list. The developer tab is particularly useful for those who wish to create custom programs or scripts, while the add-in tab will allow you to manage and activate various extra functionalities provided by third-party developers. Once you've checked these boxes, glance over to make sure everything else looks good. Then go ahead and click OK at the bottom right of this window to apply the changes. And just like that, you've enabled the developer and add-in tabs in Outlook. Look at your ribbon now, and you should see these tabs readily available at the top of your Outlook screen. You can explore the new options and features available to you, from creating macros to exploring third-party applications that can integrate seamlessly with Outlook. Thank you for following along with this quick guide. Enabling these tabs may seem like a small change, but it opens up a world of possibilities. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more of our videos for additional Outlook tips. Until next time, enjoy exploring your new tools in Outlook.